Now, the price made higher high. Sorry, the indicator made higher high. Let me do this one. At this level, we have this high for indicator. Adjust. Have another high for indicator. And adjust. And have another high for indicator. And adjust. Now, I have 3 lines on the chart. If I plot a straight line, like so, to connect this high and this high, and I plot another straight line to connect this high and this high, I have the same thing, the same result. The trend line of both indicator and price is facing the same direction. On the price axis, this is indicator axis. This is indicator axis. This is price axis. So this slope, the slope of this line is facing north, up. The slope of this line is facing north, up. Is that not true? It's not true. Got to a stage, the price made another move, made it new high. Price made a new high, but indicator says otherwise. Is that not true? Indicator did something different. Is that not true, sir?
Yes, sir.
So it means that the price, if there was time, the price and the indicator say same thing. Price says I want to go up. Indicator says I support you. But not to the stage. The price says I want to go up, but the indicator says no, I will not support you this time around. And that's what's causing this fall. So this one, this time around, that's why this arrow came around and tell you that the price wants to drop. So it means that there is a divergence on the chart that says the price wants to go down. Basically, this is an indicator. The other one you saw is price. The other one that has a line chart on it. Maybe you don't understand. Let me go to another USD right now. Look at it though. This one you are seeing here now is 100% price action. This one you are looking at now is indicator suggestion. Indicator is suggesting that price wants to go down, but the price action says that price should go up based on what we are saying now. So which one do you think will supersede the other one? Is it the price or the indicator? Price. The price will always supersede. The price is saying that I want to go up, but the indicator is saying that the price should go down. So normally, sometimes the price will supersede and don't obey the price and move up. But sometimes the price will obey the indicator and go down. So in this kind of case now, if you are an analyst and you really want to be very careful, you might choose not to trade this one. But if you are a fan of indicator, you might go with the indicator. Say, okay, let me place a sell based on this. Now, but I'm going to tell you something very, very basic about this one now. I will tell you that we have already placed a buy on it, is that not?
Yes.
And there is a stop loss already. Is that not? Is that not so?
Yes.
Good, leave that one. Now let's follow the indicator again and place a sell. It's okay to do that. You can do that on the chart. You can have a buy and a sell at the same time on the same instrument. That's the USDJPY. You can still place a sell. Let's place a sell. Based on this, what this indicator is saying, the price will go down. We now click on new order. We now place a sell. Now that we have placed a sell, where should our stop loss be? It should be above, above the last high. We put our stop loss here. And then we put our take profit somewhere down. As much as you want. It's okay like that, but you have to do that on your phone and laptop. This one, this strategy now is following the indicator.
Now sell.
We have placed the sell now. So we are following the indicator now. Do you understand? But the price action says we should buy, though we are bought. We are put stop loss and take profit for that. So let's see the order will be, whether within the price and the indicator. If you can be doing all the small things on your chart every day, you need money, no excuse. Let's go to oil. On oil, let's apply the indicator again on each one. Where is it now? On oil, the indicator is saying that the price will go up. And but then we are on a buy, is that not? So it's okay, we leave that one. Because the indicator and the price are saying the same thing. And we are bought. On GBP USD, wow, this GBP USD is going down. On GBP USD, the last arrow faces up, so we leave it. Because the price is currently going down, we allow that one to slide. But there is no arrow on chart now to suggest a sell, not yet. So move on to another one, AUD USD. That one we already have a trade of it, is that not? We move on to D30. Let's see indices for the first time today. Indices. Wow, indices is really going up. Really going up. That's serious. Indices is going up like crazy. So we leave this one. There's no current signal on the chart. And of course we leave it. Alright? This one will grow up, like it will go up crazy. You can see this information that the indicator is suggesting here. It's telling us buy twice. And you see buy again, buy. It's just shouting, buy you. Do you understand? So we go up. Okay. And this is real money. Which one is this one? This one is indices now. D30. Yes. D30. Yes. And this is daily chart. And remember I told you that anytime you see a green engulfing another green, have it? This is stock buy. Is that not? Look at this green. Engulfing this green. You should have bought since midday ago. This today, this yesterday, this Tuesday, this Monday, this Friday last week. This Thursday. Okay, Thursday. This Wednesday. Now, you should have bought since Wednesday last week. My brother, if you have bought since Wednesday, let me give you an example. Let's say you bought $100 on this day last week. By now, you would have been on about. By now, with $100 though, we would have been on about 2.8 million. This is about 2.831. It's about 2.83 million. Between Wednesday last week and now, just $100. And 1 million can do that. Just 1 million in your account. Buy.
Out of us with 50.
No, it's past now. The arrow already suggested 6 though. Hello. Oga, see you. See where the arrow is. See where you are bought. Do you understand now? You are bought here. Not where the price has too far. So you leave it. Price will still come back and give you something later. You leave it. It's how to really identify profitable trade setups and move on. Alright? This is where we'll stop for today. Any questions? Yes. Okay, let's look at that. So I have some trades here. I have Euro GBP in profit. So I'm going to go on that and show you how to lock profit on Euro pound or how to lock profit on any trade. I know that this one will not forget that. So I have a trade here, and the trade is a buy trade, 0.01. The trade is already in profit, is that not? Is that not true, sir? This is a very good one. I didn't even know. We didn't check it today. But it's a very good one, is that not? This is a very good signal. See the bullish engulfing. And see it? You see it, man? The bullish engulfing. And it's currently pushing the price. Now, this is my buy. I've done this buy on 6, not today. and the trade is already a profit. I don't want to use this trade again. So I think I have a stop loss on it. This is euro pound. This is my stop loss. That was?
That's the price.
Yeah, it's the price, stop loss. Oh sorry, this is stop loss. That was?
Yeah, that's the
Stop loss. So what I need to do now is to move the stop loss away from here and change the value to a new value. For example, I could use this one as a stop loss. This is how you change it on your phone. You have to lock it on your phone and even laptop. The trade is currently from this current price. So the stop loss is somewhere. I don't know if I can even bring it up. If I can zoom out. Can you see that, everybody? This is my stop loss. This is the current price. So I want to remove this stop loss from here and move it into this place. I want to move it between the entry price and the current price. This green dotted line is my entry price. Entry. The price I enter. The price I enter the trade. This is the green dotted line. And this is the price. 0.84683 is here. This is my stop loss before now. This is my take profit. But now I want to lock the trade so that even if village people, we don't call them. So that even if village people like it or not, I will not lose. So what I'm going to do is now remove this stop loss from here. You know, if the price come back and hit the stop loss, it's a loss. So I want to put the stop loss in here so that if the price return and hit it, it will still be profit. That's what we call lock profit. So which profit can I enter? I can add this one, I mean. 0.84740.
Yes.
Good. That will be better, abi? 84740. Good. I will now change the value. I will double click on it and change the value. Even you on your phone, you can press the code and modify and change the value to 0.84. 84740. 74. Then I will click on modify. The stop loss will move that new price. Can you see now?
Yeah.
Yes, modify. So the stop loss has moved away from where it was to a new price. Now, whether I believe people like it or not, I've already lost. So, is it that I win or I win? I cannot lose anymore. Is it that I win this profit or I win this profit? It's not loss but it's profit. As simple, that's how to block your trade. So once your trade moves into profit, you can lock it back up so that village people have no authority over you anymore. So you either win or you win. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes.
So let's stop there for today. Tomorrow is going to be an advanced training class. So we will join you from previous classes you have done before. So you should come in so that you can take a front seat. I know some people from the learning that have been coming back before. They really have information that we're doing advanced. Some they have gone through this class before. So you will join